Looking to automate your email marketing in ConvertKit, whether it's for welcome sequences, lead magnets, or product funnels, ConvertKit automations make it simple. Here's how to activate them. Start by logging into your ConvertKit account from the main dashboard. Click on Automate in the top menu, then select Visual Automations. Now click the plus New Automation button to get started. You'll be asked to choose a starting point. This could be someone joining a forum, getting tagged, or purchasing the product. Once you have selected your trigger, you'll be taken to the Visual Automation Builder. Now add your next steps. You can choose to send an email sequence, add a delay, apply a tag, or even branch out into multiple paths based on subscriber behavior. This is where you can map out the entire customer journey. Once you have added all the steps, make sure to review everything. Then click Publish in the top right corner. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever someone enters the funnel. And that's it. ConvertKit is now working behind the scenes to grow your audience and keep them engaged without lifting a finger. If this helped, well, give the video a like, subscribe for more creator-friendly tools, and let me know in the comments if you want help building your first welcome sequence or a lead magnet flow.